Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to do some pork chops on the Weber behind us. We're going to do a mustard binder and a rub that we just mixed up a couple minutes ago. So let's get to it. Go fast. I did not mean to even do that much. I got mustard on it. Oh yeah, that's a lot. That came out really fast. Thin coat or?
That's good.
So now we're gonna let this sweat in for a little bit while my dad gets the grill ready. So we have started burning 3/4 of a chimney, royal oak charcoal. Hey guys, if you like what we're doing, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications. Let's get back to the video.
Handy little cover right on there. We're going to let that grate heat up a little bit, and then we're going to scrape it off, and we'll be ready to go. Let this heat up. Alright, so we got our 2-zone fire set up, kind of an indirect thing. We're going to set these right up the middle. We'll put the cover on that. We'll let them go for a little bit. We'll see it in a little bit. Alright, we're going to give these a flip. They've been on for about 15 minutes. They are looking just fine. We'll let them roll. Alright, we're going to give these guys another check. $140, $140, $144. So I'm going to take these, slip 2 of them over here, just for a second. Take this one over here. Just going to throw a little char on them quick. Throw little lines on there for Mom, make them look good. Let these babies rest for a minute. And let's give her one. Which one you wanted to give a shot to?
That one.
This one?
That one.
This one?
Yes.
You always got to go with the one in the middle, don't you? Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
That's amazing.
Which one you want to take?
That one.
There you go. Let's give her a
Ooh,
shot.
hot.
It's not hot.
It is. That's good.
It's very good. That rub is a keeper. Definitely.
It's not tender like the chicken, but
I think it is.
to me it's not.
There's some more. Another one?
Sure.
Yeah, that's really tender.
Oh, we forgot to do cheers.
Cheers. Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Oh yeah. All
I
right.
approve. I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
9.5.
What?
That's a 10 all day long.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's not tender enough. For me, meat, it's not that tender.
All right, you can cut that with a fork.
Oh, I just got a bite.
Ah,
That's
yes,
a 10. That's a 10. That is a 10. I just got a bite of a bite.
Mm-hmm.
That sounded weird, but I did it.
Well, we're gonna take this in and we're gonna eat this.
Again, like the chicken on our previous episode, it's not going to stand a chance for dinner.
Absolutely not. So, you have anything you want to say about this?
It's amazing.
If you like what we're doing,
Like and subscribe,
follow along.
and hit that bell.
All right, so here we are with the recap. Mixed up a dry rub. That's definitely going to be a winner. That we mix up. We mix them all up ourselves. You do what you like. We're going to do what we like. The recipe's pretty much just a guideline. We cooked it with the temperature over time because that way you guys can cook to temperature as well. And you can use a pit, you can use a drum, you can use a Weber, you can use a charcoal grill, you can use the oven, you can use whatever you want to use. Air fryer, anything. You're cooking to temperature, so temperature's temperature. It's all going to be the same across the board, so you don't have to worry about cooking what we are necessarily cooking on at any given time. I basically started out with a 3/4 chimney of Royal Oak charcoal. A little bit of leftover from the previous cook in there, and a couple chunks of wood in there. I think they were pecan and hickory that we did the chicken.
Previously on our cooking.
Right, so we did that, and I let
then
it go.
You missed the part when I did the mustard.
Well, I was
and
getting to
then,
that. While that was heating up, Hunter put down a mustard binder. He put about a medium coat, I would say, of the dry rub
Not
on
a heavy
there.
coat. Just
Yeah, it was
nice
just a
little,
medium coat of the
yeah,
dry
medium.
rub. And we let that sweat in while the charcoal came up to temperature. Dumped that in our little baskets there, separated that out, and then we went indirect right up the middle. Went about 10 minutes, flipped it, about 10 minutes. It was pretty much where we wanted to be.
Yeah, 10 or 15 minutes.
Yeah,
around
so we had that. So we had that brought us up to 140-ish, 143, 145 is done for pork. So I flipped it over and I did the direct heat just to give it a little bit of, char on the outside, not much at all. And
yeah, to give it a little
yeah,
crispiness.
pulled it off, let it set for a minute, and you saw the tenderness, the juiciness.
Yeah,
it was just unbelievable.
It was amazing. We destroyed that thing.
It's gone.
It's
There's
gone.
nothing left.
Yeah.
Hunter just went nuts, and Hunter added another layer of flavor on there.
I did.
When you went in
Oh yeah,
there.
when I went in there, I used the Alabama white sauce, which you saw in our previous one with the chicken.
Oh man, and
He tried it too. It was good.
I tried it on the last couple pieces, and I wish I would have probably put it on a couple more, but not much. That stuff is best in small quantities.
Yeah. I mean, I barely dabbed it on.
One little dip on a corner is
I was
all you
just
need
like,
on that stuff. It's really good. So that was that, and that's all we got. We will see you on the next one.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like what we're doing, and hit that bell to turn on notifications, and follow along with what we're doing, not what you're doing, what we're doing.
And we'll see you on the next one.